So I was born in Fiji. I was born in Lambasa, and I left Fiji in '85. So I've been out of Fiji for a long time, going back and forth. So I had some help, some very good people locally, and it's important to have that arrangement. And then obviously they know how to which way to go, who to turn to in case there are obstacles. There always will be obstacles. I mean, if you are coming into Australia to invest, you need to understand how the system works over there, and what the legislative framework is. It's no different anywhere else. I can't speak for any other investor, but for me, I know we've got 3 or 4 things in the pipeline. This is the first and probably the smallest of what we're working on, and so far we have. The reason why we looked at the real estate as a part of our overall business coming to Fiji is we felt that there is a lot of scope for how real estate operates in Fiji from an ethics and standards point of view. In my own dealings, I felt that there was a gap in Fiji with real estate practice in terms of what the agents offer and what value they can create for the buyer and the seller. So as a part of what we put forward in the market as our competitive difference, is all our agents will be required to complete the certificate of registration course, which is run by the New South Wales government, or New South Wales government accredited course. So they have all been enrolled in that course, and they have to complete that course. And then they will all be required to have a certain amount of continuous professional development every year. So we will nominate what that is. It could be conflict resolution, could be communication, could be anything. But they will have to have so many hours. So we pay for all those courses. We pay for the registration course. We pay for the continuous professional development. We also looked at how agents would conduct themselves and what would encourage somebody to join and actually start working in this industry. So we felt that we would look at the quality of people that would be applying and what we would be doing with them.